Okay, so you did great. I'm looking at your answer here, and you're doing everything right. There was just a slight mistake that I made in class, and so I'm going to tell Professor Henderson to make sure she cleans this up with you guys in class, but it's really minor. So we solved for our function. We solved and you did all this right. You solved for sine. You got sine of x equals 1/2. So then you found that the reference angle was pi 6, and then that the two solutions would be pi 6 and 5 pi 6. So then though you said, okay, I let x be equal to 3 theta, so now I have to change that back. So I've got 3 theta equals pi 6, which therefore means theta equals pi 18ths. 100% dead on, totally right. So now the only issue though, when you go to add on your plus 2k pi, that's the world's worst k, let's try that again, 2k pi, this 2 is also altered by the period being magnified, being sped up. So since we're speeding up our period by 3, we had to take our answer, divide it by 3. We also have to divide our the repetition. The 2k pi just needs to be 2k pi divided by 3 because it's going to happen more often. That's it. So you can go through, and so on your answer essentially just need to put divide by 3, and that should take care of you. Now as far as the 0, excuse me, beep beep beep, 0 to 2 pi solutions, just think about all the different answers that happen. And then also, I apologize, don't forget, yeah, you need to do this one as well, which I kind of alluded to up there. But you're going to have theta equals 5 pi 6 plus 2k pi divided by 3. Now, for these, think about all the different answers that are going to occur within 0 to 2 pi. So you're going to say, okay, it could be pi 18ths, then adding on one of these would make, so we're going to say let k equal 1, so that would make 2 pi thirds. Would that still be within 2k pi? And just keep going with it in that way, if that makes sense. So that would give me pi 18ths plus 2 pi thirds. Then ask yourself, okay, if I do k equaling 2, that would be pi 18ths plus 4 pi thirds. So that'd still be within 2 pi. And you just continue until you get all your answers and you make them all in your little list. And then same thing over here. Okay, and so this list of your 0 to 2 pi answers is going to be somewhere in the ballpark of 5, 6, 7 answers, something like that. Okie dokie. Best of luck.